Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the best robot vacuum cleaner in the market for this year. ILIFE V5's Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This cleaner comes with 4 cleaning modes for a stress-free setup. A spot clean focuses on a particular area, scheduling clean, auto clean, and edge clean for dirt along the walls. With the addition of a water tank to this cleaner, it offers a damp mopping function when cleaning. The use of a self-rescue technology and Road Rover wheels, which have a larger size, make it possible for this cleaner to move over uneven floors without getting stuck. A minor issue with this cleaner is the noise it produces while cleaning. iLife A4's Robot Vacuum Cleaner. In case you will be away from home, this cleaner allows users to set a schedule. At each preset time, the cleaner will automatically turn on to clean the home. The cleaner battery can last up to 140 minutes during operation, and in case the battery is running low, the cleaner will automatically return to the docking station for a recharge. Its low profile makes it a great option for cleaning under beds and sofa. It has a tangle-free roller brush and 2 side brushes with a remote controller. iRobot Roomba 690 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Featuring a Wi-Fi connectivity, this cleaner allows users to connect a smartphone device running the home app for control and scheduling of the cleaner. It also functions with devices running a Google Assistant and as well as Amazon Alexa. Through this feature, voice control is available on the cleaner. The sensors in the cleaner help in detecting and avoiding high drop-off points which may damage the cleaner. Users can also create a virtual wall to limit the movement of the cleaner. A cool addition is an option of naming this cleaner. Sometimes this cleaner may have difficulties operating on a dark colored floor.